We all want to live a comfortable life, and if we're honest, money plays a big part in it. You can be a genius, but if you're broke, your brilliant mind would be nothing. Saving money is the foundation on which you build financial stability. And to provoke your thoughts into action, here are some of the ways saving can improve your life and of those around you. Strap in and enjoy the ride. Number 1 will make you appreciate the ones you love. Hey everybody, welcome to Frugal Facts. Today we're going to go over the 10 ways your life improves by saving money. Make sure to watch until number 1, because it's one of the most amazing saving tips I've ever seen. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so we can help you with saving tips regularly. Now let's get straight into the video. Number 10. Opens up great opportunities. Let's paint a picture. Say a person you respect is offering you a lucrative business deal to help you soar into new career heights. You know it is a great opportunity that can make you into the next Bill Gates. But here's the catch. To get a share of that sweet bread, you have to part with $50,000. In your bank account, you have $10,000, which means that the opportunity is going to be passed on to someone else. Had you saved, you'd have had enough money to make that deal. Saving helps you take advantage of opportunities that have the potential to make you wealthy. Start saving now so you can have money to invest in a career opportunity that comes knocking. You may be just the person that rubs shoulders with billionaire investors. Number 9. Lowers anxiety and depression. Money, or lack thereof, is one of the top causes of depression. For example, you have a mortgage, car loan, your kid's school, etc., and have money. Your mental health can't be the same as for someone that has no financial stress. Ever heard of the saying, man made money, but money made man mad? Well, we don't know about more of it, but a lack of it can surely make you mad. That is why saving is important. When you have money, you can make your rent and relax in the knowledge that you and your kids won't sleep in the cold. You can also afford good schools for your kids and have a frugal but comfortable life. You don't develop a severe case of anxiety when the end of the month approaches or when summer ends and you know your kids are bound to go back to school. Number 8. Saving money improves your credit score. When you have debt, your credit score goes down. When you have savings and pay your credit card through them, it means you can never pay late or not pay at all. The money is deducted from your savings, and when your check comes in, you can replenish your savings. An improved credit score is advantageous in that it allows you to win on so many fronts, such as higher loan limits, better loan approval, lower interest rates on loans, easier approval on housing options, better car insurance rates, among others. Saving money allows you to do all that. When you have a goal for a startup, you can get loans easily. You'd also have easier approval for mortgage loans with lower interest rates as opposed to someone who has a poor credit score. How much has having savings benefited you? We'd love to hear your opinion. Number 7. Saving gives you financial security. Imagine not having money to cater to your needs. It may make you feel like a failure, but that's not what you are. You're just bad at managing your money, which causes you to not have enough for when you need it. For example, if a gust of wind blew away your roof in bad weather, you'd want to fix it as soon as you can to prevent further damage to your property, as well as your health and that of your family. Now imagine you didn't have money to take care of that emergency. You'd have to take your family to someone else's house, and even when people love to help, they don't appreciate disruptions. You go into debt because it is the only way to get money to fix your roof. If another emergency occurs, you'd have a very difficult time managing it. If you had savings, the scenario would be very different. You'd feel secure in the fact that you'd fix your roof immediately without having to displace your family and disrupting their way of life. When you have money in the bank, you know that in case of anything that requires financial aid, you're sorted. There's no better feeling than that. Well, maybe a nice cold drink soothing your throat in the extreme summer heat. Number 6. Teaches you frugality. You don't believe it? Answer this. Have you ever realized that when you're broke, you fantasize about how you'd go to McDonald's and order the whole restaurant? What about when you have money? You don't even remember that you're hungry. You might even just order water. Are we wrong? When you have no money, everything in the store looks like a perfect fit, but with money, you may not find anything you like no matter how much you look. But it is not because you can't spend money, it is because you have learned the value of money. Saving isn't easy, and when you remember the sacrifices you've had to make to save, you wouldn't want to waste it. This forces you to spend it on things that matter, and you find that you don't need to spend money on a weekend of partying and shopping sprees. You learn how to be frugal, which also helps those around you to be frugal as well. Number 5. Saving improves your money. Yes, saving does improve your money. This is because when you save, you earn interest. Interest improves your money. For example, if you have saved your money on compound interest, you earn interest on your principal. Let's say you have a principal of $100,000 at an APR of 2%. Your interest for that year would be $2,000. Adding your interest to the principal would give you a total of $102,000. When your savings compound again, you'd earn interest on the whole amount in your bank account, i.e. $102,000. What this means is that your interest for the second year would be $2,040. The $40 is the interest earned on the initial $2,000 interest. Also, high-yield accounts earn you good interest, up to 25 times the rate of national banks. If you had no savings, you wouldn't earn an extra $2,000. You'd be in the same place you were the previous year, borrowing and repaying, being trapped in this vicious cycle. Investing your savings gives you more money, which allows you to save more, hence continuous improvement for your cash. You can start saving today. You don't have to save thousands of dollars at a go. You can start with $50 and grow from there. You'll see your savings improving day by day when you're committed and disciplined. Number 4, improves your health. We're sure you've heard the saying, health is better than wealth, and it is very true. But sometimes we have no control over how our health will behave tomorrow. Take COVID-19 for example. It didn't choose between the poor and the rich. It attacked everyone's lungs. The difference, however, was that those with money could afford better, more specialized treatment compared to those that didn't have enough money. Poor health causes a lack of productivity, which costs you money. Overspending on things that add no value to your health, such as junk food and vices such as smoking, waste your money that you could be saving, and also, they ruin your health. And to get your health back to normal, you need money, and if you don't have it, you may have a hard time getting back in shape. Saving enables you to have money that you can use to take care of yourself and your health. For example, organic food is very good for your health, but it is not cheap. If you have no money, buying organic food may feel like a waste, so you go for junk food, which is cheaper. Saving also ensures that if you're unwell, you can get quality healthcare, which helps you get better quicker because you can get quality medication. One frugal rule is that you should not compromise on healthcare. You end up spending so much more, and having savings can enable you to achieve it. Number 3, helps you achieve your goals. Saving helps you achieve your goals. The first step to achieving the objectives is by deciding to reach a certain place at a certain period. Then the saving part begins. This is the hardest part because sometimes we, as humans, take many detours that derail our commitments. But if you're committed, saving can help you achieve your milestones. For example, you want to save for home ownership, and your goal is to save $600,000 within 10 years. This means that you have to save $60,000 a year, which translates to $5,000 a month. This is no small task. You'd have to give up many luxuries and cut back on some of the needs to achieve that. When you're determined, you can do it. It may be a long, difficult journey, and you may feel like quitting altogether, but when you persist, you'll achieve your goals by saving money. Those goals help you improve your life and puts you on a different pedestal than where you were before you started saving. How has saving money helped you achieve your goals? We'd love to hear from you. Number 2, gives you freedom. When you don't have money, it is not easy to pursue your talents and passions when you have to work 16 hours a day just to make ends meet. For example, if you love singing, gymnastics, or bullfighting, it would be difficult to pursue them because you have to work to earn money to support your family. When you have enough money, you can quit your demanding job and pursue things that make you happy. You have the time and the financial means to make your dreams come true. You may want to slow down on the adrenaline rush-inducing extracurricular activities though. It may cost you a healthy heart and the moolah. Number 1, improves your relationship. If you're watching this and have a partner, you know that financial woes can cause a strain in your relationship. Money plays an important role in the quality of life. Young couples are more affected, especially at this time, because they get lower wages and have financial obligations such as mortgages, student loans, young children, etc. For example, having debt can strain your relationship. Other financial strains come to an end and your relationship goes back to normal, but debts longer. You might have to repay them for years. This can cause conflict at home. Buying a house cements a relationship, but it is an avoidable debt because you pay it for years, and you have to give up things you like doing as a family to have enough money to repay debt. While money doesn't buy happiness, people that have it experience better relationships. Whereas passion and mutual respect fuel a relationship, money can certainly enhance the support. Who knew that saving money could save your marriage? To quote Psychology Today, lack of money can be the root of relationship evil. So there you have it. Adopt a saving culture and you never have to worry about finances. The earlier you start, the more financially stable you get. It allows you to retire early and do the things you're passionate about. It improves your general life because you can afford to take care of yourself. How has saving money improved your life? We'd love to hear your opinions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of saving tips and much more. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos of saving money tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.